Here's how to link your bank account to Coinbase. First, open the Coinbase app and tap the three lines menu at top left corner. This will open the funding options for your account. If necessary, change the selected currency to United States dollar before continuing. Next, tap your profile banner at the top and a new page will open up. Here, select Payment Methods and then select the Add Payment Method button. Coinbase will display the available payment options. These may include a bank account, PayPal, wire transfer, or Coinbase gift card. To connect your bank, select Bank Account. Coinbase uses Plaid to securely connect supported bank accounts. Tap Continue to begin the connection process. Enter your phone number if requested, then continue to the bank selection screen. You'll see a list of supported financial institutions. If your bank appears in the list, select it. If you don't see it, use the search bar to find your bank by name. After selecting your bank, you'll be redirected to its secure login process. Enter your online banking credentials and complete any verification requested by your financial institution. Once you're signed in, choose the specific checking or savings account you want to connect to Coinbase. Review the requested permissions and confirm your selection. After the connection is approved, your bank account will appear as an available payment method in Coinbase. You can then select it when adding cash or purchasing supported crypto assets. That's all for this video. Thanks.